Understanding weak legs and tingling hands, the silent signals of a collagen deficiency. There's nothing more frustrating than feeling your own body betray you. Maybe you felt it, the unsteady legs as you climb stairs, the sudden tingling in your fingers as you try to grip a cup, the constant ache in your knees or wrists that makes you feel older than your years. For many adults, especially after age 50, weak legs and tingling hands are brushed off as just getting older. But what if I told you that this doesn't have to be your reality? That in many cases, the solution isn't some expensive treatment, endless pills, or risky procedures, but instead lies in the food you put on your plate? Yes, something as simple as collagen-rich foods can bring strength back to your legs, restore energy to your muscles, soothe the tingling in your hands, and even give you back the flexibility and confidence you thought you'd lost forever. Today, we'll take a deep journey into your body, through your muscles, nerves, joints, and skin, to uncover the role collagen plays in keeping you strong, stable, and pain-free. And we'll reveal the powerful, collagen-packed foods that can help you say goodbye to weak legs and tingling hands fast. But first, let's understand what's really happening inside your body. When these frustrating symptoms appear, why weak legs and tingling hands happen, the hidden culprit. Every time you stand up from a chair, climb a step, pick up a bag, or type a message on your phone, your body relies on a vast network of muscles, nerves, connective tissue, and bone. When everything is working well, you feel light, stable, and strong. But over time, things change. Your muscles lose mass, a natural process called sarcopenia. Your nerves lose protective insulation, slowing down signals and causing numbness or tingling. Your joints stiffen and ache, making every movement a challenge. Your circulation weakens, reducing oxygen and nutrient flow to your extremities. One crucial factor ties many of these problems together: collagen depletion. Collagen is like the glue holding your entire body together. It's the protein that builds and repairs connective tissue, cushions your joints, strengthens muscles, protects your nerves, and gives your skin elasticity. It makes up over 30% of the protein in your body. But after the age of 30, your collagen levels drop steadily, by about 1% per year. By the time you're 60, you may have lost more than half of your natural collagen stores. That's when the problems become impossible to ignore. Knees that ache when you stand, calves that cramp or feel weak after walking a short distance, hands that tingle, go numb, or burn after holding a phone or writing for too long. A general feeling that your body is slowing down and losing its spring. Many people mistake these signs for aging nerves or poor circulation alone. But science shows that collagen is essential to maintaining the structure and support for both muscles and nerves. Without enough collagen, tissues lose their resilience. Nerves become more exposed to damage, and muscles struggle to repair and grow. How collagen works in your body. To truly appreciate how collagen-rich foods can help, let's take a quick look inside your body. Muscle support. Collagen forms part of the structure of muscles and tendons. It keeps them strong, flexible, and able to transmit force properly. When collagen levels drop, muscles feel weaker and take longer to recover. Joint cushioning. Your cartilage, the padding that stops bones from grinding together, is made mostly of collagen. Low collagen means thinning cartilage, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Nerve protection. Collagen helps form the myelin sheath, a fatty protective layer around nerves that allows electrical signals to travel smoothly. Without this layer, you feel tingling, numbness, or shooting pains. Circulation and skin elasticity. Collagen strengthens blood vessels, improving circulation to your extremities. It also keeps skin and tissues elastic, reducing swelling and inflammation. Simply put, collagen is your body's scaffolding. Without it, everything starts to sag, weaken, and malfunction. Why supplements alone aren't enough. Collagen supplements have become a huge trend, and many people rely on powders or capsules. While some are beneficial, there's a problem. Not all supplements are well absorbed. Many only contain partial collagen peptides, missing key amino acids. They work best with real collagen-rich foods that provide natural nutrients. Vitamin C, zinc, and copper, all essential for collagen production. Relying only on a supplement while eating a poor diet is like trying to build a house with just nails but no wood or concrete. The real foundation of healing weak legs and tingling hands lies in the whole foods you eat daily. A glimpse of hope. Meet George. George, a 68-year-old retired carpenter, had been struggling for years. His hands often tingled so badly he couldn't hold tools anymore. Walking uphill left his legs feeling like jelly. Doctors told him it was just age, maybe a little neuropathy, maybe poor circulation. He tried pills, ointments, and massages, but nothing worked long-term. Then a nutritionist friend suggested he focus on collagen-rich foods, not just supplements. He started adding certain broths, organ meats, fish skin, and gelatin-based recipes to his weekly diet. Within 2 months, George noticed something remarkable. His legs felt steadier. His hand strength returned, and the nighttime tingling that once kept him awake was nearly gone. George hadn't discovered a miracle drug, he'd simply given his body the building blocks it needed to repair itself. Collagen foods worked from the inside out, restoring the tissues that were once deteriorating. And here's the good news. George's story is not unique. Studies show that a diet rich in collagen sources can improve muscle strength, joint comfort, and nerve function, especially in adults over 50. The fast action plan ahead. In the next sections, we'll dive into the top 7 collagen-rich foods that are easy to find and incredibly effective, how to prepare them for maximum absorption and taste, supporting nutrients that boost collagen production naturally, a daily meal strategy to see noticeable improvements in leg strength and nerve health in weeks, not months. We'll even explore stories from seniors who rebuilt their mobility and got rid of persistent tingling, using nothing more than kitchen staples and a few clever food swaps. So if you've ever thought, this is just old age, nothing will help, stay with me. Because when you feed your body what it truly needs, it can surprise you with how quickly it bounces back. In the next part, we'll reveal the first group of collagen-rich foods that can start strengthening your legs and calming the tingling in your hands in record time. These foods aren't expensive, exotic, or hard to cook. In fact, you may already have some in your kitchen. You just never realized how powerful they were.